Today, we're making crispy bang bang chicken. Here are the ingredients you'll need for the chicken. 2 chicken breasts, cut into bite-sized pieces, 1 cup buttermilk, 1 cup all-purpose flour, half a cup cornstarch, salt and black pepper to taste, and oil for frying. For the bang bang sauce, half a cup mayonnaise, 1/4 cup sweet chili sauce, and 1 tablespoon honey, which is optional if you want added sweetness. For garnish, chopped green onions and sesame seeds. Place chicken pieces in a bowl and cover with buttermilk. Let marinate for 20 to 30 minutes in the refrigerator. In a bowl, mix together mayonnaise, sweet chili sauce, and honey. Adjust seasoning and set aside. In a separate bowl, combine flour, cornstarch, salt, and black pepper. Remove chicken from buttermilk, letting excess drip off, and coat in the flour mixture. Heat oil in a deep skillet or fryer to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Fry chicken in batches until golden brown and crispy, about 3 to 4 minutes per side. Drain on a paper towel-lined plate. Toss the fried chicken in the prepared bang bang sauce until evenly coated. Serve over steamed rice or as is, garnished with chopped green onions and sesame seeds. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes.